Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Surrey's Worst Drivers. Green light and this person tries to go for it. Almost hits me and the person walking across. Check out this crazy accident here. Smashing back in rear end, double whammy. And here, as you can see, it turns red, so I wait for the person to turn in the intersection, and the person behind them decides to scoop it. Not happening, I'm gone. They got stuck. Anyways, here, if you can see, this person is running out with looks like a bunch of bag of chips or something, and they actually stole it from the Max. That's right, they actually grabbed it and ran. It was a grab and run. And yeah, when I was driving away, actually in the corner there, you could see the Max employee quickly run outside, and I was like, "Oh, smokes!" Snatch and run! Ah! Crazy. So I don't know what was going on here, but just some police presence with some fire truck, ambulance, and stuff. I don't know. It is Surrey. And I hate when police leave their doors open. It's gonna cause accidents. Distracted driving 101. And then I was wondering what was going on here, because nobody was going, and it was because there's just a garbage truck. And the cops were, I guess, pulling people over as well. Don't ask me what the cops wanted with me there.
Okay, sounds good. You guys are already at home, eh?
Loud motorcycle was pretty dope. And for all your viewing pleasure, basically just start to finish car wash. So enjoy.